Hey guys, how's it going? Jeepopolis here, and today we're gonna go do a thing. So come along for the ride. Alright guys, in typical New England fashion, we're sitting here, we got our coffee, and ready to start our day. Alright guys, so we're here at Bob's Ski-Doo, and I'm gonna be looking at some jet skis today. They're probably all put away, so it's mostly gonna be a catalog thing, but I'm pretty sure we're gonna walk out of here with a down payment on a jet ski. Alright guys, so I just pulled the trigger on a Sea-Doo, and it's a GTX 155 2019, just did the pre-order. Here's the information. Sadly, there isn't any here on lot because it is September, and they don't really have any Sea-Doos here, because why would they? It's September. So it's gonna be coming in by the time February marches. So stick around to see that on the channel. This is gonna be awesome. You're gonna see a lot of jet ski stuff coming up in the next year. A lot of exciting things going on, guys. And again, here's the receipt. It's gonna be some good times. All right, guys, we popped out to the store. We're going to get some parts real fast. By parts, I mean paint, really. And we're gonna get right back and we get to work. All right, guys. So today, I just picked up some plasti dip, and we're gonna end up actually plasti dipping the chrome locks on the doors. Because I got this idea from someone on Instagram, and it looked pretty awesome. Getting that little bit of chrome out. So we're gonna plasti dip this today. I hope you enjoy. I'm about to throw on the Rugged Ridge 2-inch receiver hitch. It comes with all the hardware needed, which is only 4 bolts. I'm gonna throw it on Reaper here real fast. I'm rating this a 1 beer job.
Alright guys, first step here is going to be to remove this 15mm bolt and this 15mm bolt here. Okay. It's tight, boys, you might need a breaker bar. There's also 2 10mm bolts holding this guy up that will need to be removed. Alright, since I removed this L-shaped bracket, I can't get it removed, so I kind of got it positioned in a way that I can get the nuts of the hitch to clear and go through. Once the nuts of the hitch are clear, it's kind of going to hook on. And we're going to take these 2 15mm bolts, or 18mm bolts, I'm sorry, that they provided with washers and lock washers. We're going to thread them through the factory holes. Alright, with these guys snugged up, we can then go and reinstall the 2 bolts we took out. Alright, you can go ahead and snug up these 2 10mm. Alright, once those are snugged up, you can then go and tighten the bolts to the receiver hitch itself. The directions didn't give a torque spec on this, so I'm going to go ahead and look it up. But for now, it's safe to say just go as tight as you possibly can, because it can't hurt. Alright, and with that, your installation is complete.
Alright guys, that's all for today's video. This was kind of a 2-parter with, you see me buying the jet ski, you see me plastic up and stuff in the Jeep, my buddy's WRX, and now this. It took about a week and a half for all this to come out because I moved, if you couldn't tell, changed the location. This is where the Jeep's going to be from now on. I had a lot of stuff going on this last week, so I was super busy. I apologize for not being able to get this stuff out to you guys. If you want to, follow me on Instagram at ProjectReaperJL. That's where you're going to see all this content first. I very appreciate it if you give me a follow. Also, like and subscribe if you like the content. There's going to be more to come. Again, it's not all going to be install videos. It's going to be some wheeling. It's going to be some jet skiing. It's going to be a bunch of stuff. So I appreciate it, guys. Hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.